On this vlog, we're going to do a little dipping of the wheels time. You know what I'm saying? Not with tobacco. I got the wheels off already. It's in the garage. It's all messy because I moved everything around. But anyway, I'm ready to dip, ready to get going. I got them all cleaned up. The one thing about plastic dip though, you got to be careful. It's got to be moisture free. It's got to be totally clean, totally dry. Otherwise it's not going to stick and it's going to peel. It's not going to last very long. I mean, moisture is the enemy of plastic dip. Plastic dip be like, who dare come and battle me? The moisture be like, I will. Plastic dip be like, no. You get the idea. We're gonna do a little flat black. I'm gonna put a little gloss on it. I got Nighthawk pearls going in this bad boy. It's gonna do something sweet. You wanna stay tuned to the end. Good morning, guys. It's a brand new day. We're here back in the shop. We got 4 coats of the matte black on there. Put some glossy coats, probably about 2 coats. We're gonna mix in a little Nighthawk, baby. Woo! Nighthawk. It's gonna be nasty. Hey, what's going on, guys? All right, let's see the final product here. I've been driving it for a couple days, so it's got a little dirt on it. It's got a little sparkle in it, but it's super, super subtle. You can't really tell. I wanted to drive it for a couple days, make sure the lug nuts wouldn't fall off, and I mean for me, mentally. It doesn't have enough shimmer than I thought it would. It's okay, I like it, but I was kind of expecting it a little bit more. Of course, a name like Nighthawk, they should have called it. You ain't gonna see it. Don't matter. They should have called it. You ain't gonna see it anyway. Marketing. What are you gonna do? It's got a little sheen. It's not super glossy, which is good. I like that. I'm gonna eventually do the whole car, so we'll see how that goes. Give me a second here. It is hotter than a fat man's armpit in here. Good golly. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back.